Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ukan rat sangma habakran halu ke jinja ke belajar dan ke sengi hak haput. Habdeng ki nongshong shnong na ke Jylla Meghalaya bat Assam. Ulaong baki pelit na ki artali ki Jylla ki la persyang ban khanglat yala ki jong ki brio om ban kun persya iwe pan. Ulaong bakat ba ki pelit ki dang persyang ban khanglat bagan omi kenu ke jinja ki Paidbah ki dang wan shu bat ki dang bon hak ba kaladon ke jinja pen ibor habdeng ki arkin hon bat day hak ni kecingnya pen ibor ba uwei naki ula duno ila ke jong kecing im nak liang Menteri Rangba ula Kyntu ki Paidbah nong shong shnong na Baroh artali ki Jylla banong jai kat ba ki artali ki Sorkar ki dang yakran ban Pynbeit ya uput usam hak bakila sedang na du kini ki snem ki beladap ulaong bah kini ki sanpu arsnem om shimladon ke Sorkar Jylla ke ba shimkhya yakani bat day tang hak por jong kini ke Sorkar bakila shimkhya balala ban Pynbeit ki hendeu tali ki chaka ba ke japut bat kebasa sa hendeu tali ki jaka ki ba ke Sorkar kadang yakran ban Pynbeit no ula Kyntu ki Paidbah ban Ailad ke Sorkar bakan Pynbeit ya kani kecing e.
So it's like this. In the last 52 years, before the approximately 7-8 meetings that we have had, there have been 27 meetings at the CM and at the CS level. And during those meetings in the past, will maintain status quo was the decision that was taken in every meeting. So Dr. Hima and myself had taken a very clear decision along with the central government that we will not have the status quo basis of meeting anymore. If we meet, we will meet with some concrete solution. And therefore we went with a very open mind. And it is with that open mind, with expanding the horizon of the discussions where we involve the local people, where we involved public hearings took place. People were asked, would you like to be in Meghalaya or would you like to be in Assam? And based on this public hearing and public's will and public's voice, we took decisions. This has never happened actually in a thing. Normally governments would decide sitting in a room, but we actually engaged with the people of that area. And both state governments and the leaders were broad-minded to accept that the will of the people. And that's how we moved forward in those 6 locations. We are trying to do the same in the other 6 locations. And we're engaging with the people. We are having subcommittees that meet the local people regularly. We have public hearings. But it is not so simple. What could not be solved for 52 years? We are trying our best to engage. And my stand is very clear. We are not here to bulldoze in their own people and not to engage with the other side. So both the police were restraining their own population to not be aggressive and to cool down and to be able to allow the entire process to be done in a peaceful manner. But while that restraining was going on, the crowd size increased. There were large numbers. And there was a scuffle between 2 groups of people from both sides. And during that scuffle, one person lost his life. And as I said, this was between the people. Like I said, that there was so many people around that the police was engaged. Not engaging means they were controlling the population from their side. But the scuffle that took place on the sides, this led to the death of that particular individual. It was purely public to public. There was no enforcement agency that was involved from either way, either side. There was no lethal, any kind of lethal action or anything that was taken. So it was a pure scuffle, and as I said, in that scuffle between the public, one person lost his life. So we are appealing to our citizens from both sides that that while the governments are trying to resolve and find a peaceful solution for the long term, we have done it for 6 areas of differences. So there were 12 areas of differences. For the last 52 years, no government took this initiative. It is only during our time that we took the initiative and resolved 6 locations. And 6 more are left, and we're working towards that. So we urge that allow the governments to engage and talk while we resolve it. And whatever problems are there locally, if the people cooperate and talk to each other, we'll be able to resolve it. But it's a very unfortunate incident.